I set up my Anycubic Kobra Go to print with a 0.8 nozzle. These are some models available by 3D Print Bunny. This is a looped vase. Vase mode printing, like I said, 0.8 nozzle, which is kind of important when you're doing loops because filament comes out and goes back in. I want to include a little video clip of that printing technique, but also it gives you a nice thick wall. This is a ganoid vase that she made. It's actually a T-lamp. T-lamp comes with a base like that. You can see the little T-lamp in there. And then this is actually a base that comes with it. There's a shorter base also. Whatever. And then we have another vase mode print. The surface came out very good. I like printing with a wide nozzle. It's something I just started doing recently. But you can see this is another vase mode loop print. Very smooth surface. This is the Eryone Galaxy Red PLA. Very good results with that also. Got a pretty heavy duty layer height on here. I think it's 0.34, something like that, to match the nozzle output. So that's our spiral vase mode loop print by 3D Print Bunny. Also, all these models are by her. I'll give you guys a link to these, but you do have to change your nozzle size because there's a lot of plastic flow involved with any kind of string art that she produces. So anyway, take care. Happy printing.